Welcome to paradise. And this truly is paradise. I'm standing on a 1.35 acre parcel. It's actually 4 parcels of land in Crystal River, Florida. We are looking out to the Gulf. This is a water view property that is surrounded by conservation wetlands. So Old Florida is captured here, and Old Florida will remain here. So while development is happening everywhere else, everywhere you turn, there's a piece of tranquility that is going to remain right in this place. So this is very, very special. It's hard to find a property like this, and it's going to become even harder as the development and improvements continue. So we are on the nature coast. This is Crystal River, Florida, and it's all about nature here. And I'll tell you about the attractions, the things that we have nearby, but first I want to show you this property. Look at this beautiful deck. It wraps around the house, and you have views of that water from all sides. I'm going to take you inside. This is an elevated stilt home, just under 1,000 square feet, and it's very well put together, very good use of space. We have open concept here, a nice sized living room, 2 banks of sliders that overlook that beautiful water, a nice dining area, and a good well-equipped kitchen. The hallway here, you'll notice that there is attic access above, and then we have a guest bathroom here that's been remodeled with a new vanity. We've got a tub shower combo. We have 2 linen closets. You're probably noticing the nice vinyl flooring throughout the main living areas. 2 generously sized bedrooms. So both of these bedrooms are around 12 by 12, 12 by 13 in size. Across the hall here we have the primary bedroom, and we do have an ensuite bathroom on this bedroom. So this bathroom has a shower, everything you need to be comfortable. So you can see it's a nice cozy home, just what you need. One of the things that's really great here is if you wanted to do rental, say you wanted this to be a vacation property, and while you're not using it, it could produce income for you. You have that option here. And locationally, there's a lot around, so it can be very attractive for those purposes as well. I'm going to take you down the steps here so we can see the carport area, and I'll tell you about the location while we do that. This is Forst Island Trail that we're on. It's a nice paved road, and while we are right off of the paved road, you don't even realize it because it is just tucked away from everything. Again, the peace and tranquility of this property is incredible. I'm sure you're hearing the birds. Nature, there's a breeze, a refreshing breeze constantly. It's really something. So right down Forst Island Trail, if you go to the end of the road here, 3 miles from this property, you have Forst Island Gulf Beach, a very nice quiet beach. So a lovely place to go and relax. And then across the street, we have Shrimp Landing. Shrimp Landing is a fish market and marina. There's a couple of different marinas that you can enjoy. And then, if you wanted to have a boat at the marina, obviously you would be able to do that. And then we have boat ramps, 2 of them, within very short distance of this property. So what you do is keep your boat on the property. You can have it covered underneath the carport. There's also extra space, of course, on this parcel that you could park things. And then you just take it out, launch it onto the water, and have a day of water activities. So this is really the full package. You've got it all here. Just an awesome property. If you'd like more information or would like to schedule a private tour, please reach out to my team, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. We believe everyone deserves a luxury experience. So give us a call at 352-794-1426. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty and RES Luxury Group. Have a great day. We're here at the Forst Island Gulf Beach in Crystal River, Florida. And what I love about this beach, just going to give you a quick tour, quick glimpse at it. This is not a touristy beach. You think of Florida beaches and you think of lots of people and congestion and, you know, volleyball and partying and all of that. This is a beautiful park and gorgeous beach that is small and intimate for our community. And what you see right now is what you usually get out here. Just peace, tranquility, water, absolutely beautiful. Actually sends chills up my spine that I live in such an awesome place. Truly a dream. So I want you to see this, see how beautiful it is. This is one of the many attractions that bring people to this area. This is the nature coast, and nature is abounding. So good for the soul. Forst Island Gulf Beach, Crystal River, Florida.